Hey guys, and I welcome all of you in this new video. And today I'm going to talk on missmoss.com review, which is very much trending, especially in the United States. I would also like to say that this website does not belong to us, and we are here to bring an unbiased review regarding this website. Guys, I request you that do like the video, share the video, and hit on the bell icon to subscribe to our channel so that we can bring much more informative videos each day. So without delay, let's get started and know more about it. As you can see, it is selling products like fashion pattern silk nightgown suit, black casual playgirl cartoon suit, and its price is from $17.28, and these are quite cost effective. Let's check out its payment mode. So you can see you need to click on one of the product, and you'll be able to find out its payment mode. So when we click on quick shop, and we are going to add to bag, here we are going to find out the payment mode, that is PayPal. So guys, this is the payment mode. Now let's know more about it. Let's find out its shipping policy. So you need to click on to the links and then the support. Here you will click on shipping and delivery, and they have mentioned that there are about 5 to 9 business days taken for processing, and shipping time is 3 to 10 business days. Now let's proceed further and know more about its legitimacy checkpoint. So it was found that it belongs to a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Then its registration age was also discovered, and it's found that it's been registered on 27th of October 2020, which is again a good sign. But I would like to say that if you talk about its traffic, it is still under process because it's been registered last year in the month of October. So it's just the registration of few months back. But as you can see, it's available on the Facebook page as well. If you try to search this site on the other search engine, the Facebook page is suggested, and here 7902 people are liking it and 8224 people are following it. And according to its registration, it's a very good sign that under such short span of time people are liking it and following it. But there are less of comments, and also the customer reviews on Trustpilot is missing. So this makes it quite suspicious. Now let's find out about us page. So let's click on about us page. Here on the about us page, they have mentioned nothing as such, and there is no business owner name, no business address, which is again a bad sign. Now let's click on to the contact us page. On the contact us page, you can find out the website URL, and also that the people can get the support from Monday to Sunday 9 AM to 6 PM. Now again, there is nothing much of the information. Let's click on to the return policy. Here they have mentioned that in order to return the product can be returned within 14 days of the receipt, which is again if you have any problem regarding the return, you can mention that in the comment box. If you talk about the customer reviews, they only have some followers and likes on the Facebook page, but otherwise the customer reviews are missing. So this website is, I would say, it's just getting the traffic gradually with time, and right now not much of people know about this website. So guys, on the basis of all the legitimacy checkpoints, it has the page which is still under process. The business owner name, the business address, and the contact number is missing. Then apart from that, it is a recent registration website, which is again not a very good sign. It does not have much of the customer reviews on Trustpilot or any other search engines. So on the basis of that, I would say that this website needs to be explored for a while, and right now investing money on this website is not recommendable. Let this website grow a bit, let its Facebook page and other social media handles grow, and only then try to buy the product from here. So right now it is a researchable website. If you have any comments regarding this website, you can mention in the comment box. Also guys, do like the video, share the video, and hit on the bell icon to subscribe to our channel so that we can bring much more informative videos each time. So thank you very much and have a great day.